Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has traded sideways in the last session. The CCI remains neutral. Bitcoin has lost 0.2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is sinking and is currently neutral. The price of gold has remained muted in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The price of crude oil has remained as is in the last session. Stochastic remains in the negative area.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
While Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, maintained production levels, output by other operators has dropped, leading to an overall fall in India's output and a sharp rise in import dependency. UK ministers are considering banning new oil exploration licenses, but councillors have since decided to review the application. The European Central Bank could decide as early as April whether to push ahead with its planning for a digital euro, a move closely watched by the banking and tech sectors.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. current account will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the U.S. total net TIC flows at 2000 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0000 GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT, the UK's Rightmove house price index at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.